Hello Woolbuddy friends, today we're diving deep into the ocean to create a charming needle felted whale. If you've ever felt intimidated by needle felting, don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Please give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to support our channel. If you're a fan of this majestic sea creature, you're going to love this project. But before we start, let's make sure we're all set with the basics of needle felting. And here's what you'll need for this project: purple, gray, black and white wool roving, a needle felting mat, and felting needles. Needle felting can be quite simple and therapeutic once you get the hang of it, so let's dive right in. For our whale, we'll start with a generous amount of white wool. Begin by shaping your white wool into a rough oval shape, because this will form the base of the body of our whale. Place it on your felting mat and start poking. Also remember, the key to successful needle felting is patience. As you poke the wool with your needle, you'll notice it slowly becoming more compact and taking shape. And quick note on needles: needle felting needles are barbed, which helps to tangle the fibers together. Be cautious while using them as they are sharp. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Now that our whale's body is taking shape and looking like a chicken drumstick, it's now time to cover the upper part of it with the purple wool, or you can also use blue wool if you have. Gently poke it into place, blending the edges to make it look natural. Needle felting is basically like giving your wool a very intense acupuncture session. Once you've got a basic shape, it's time to refine. Continue poking to firm up the body and smooth out any lumpy bits. Patience is key here. Think of it as meditation with a pointy stick. Felting is all about gradual transformation, so take your time. Next, let's tackle the fins. Use 3 smaller pieces of purple wool to create these. Shape them separately before attaching them to the body. It's a bit like assembling a puzzle, but much fluffier. And secure them by poking around the edges until they're firmly attached. And as you attach the fins, remember to blend the edges seamlessly. This helps create a cohesive look on our whale. Another thing you must know about needle felting: always work on a felting mat to protect your surfaces and fingers. This is where all the action happens. Think of it as your craft's backstage pass, because without it, you might end up with more needle pokes than you bargained for. Keep it handy and your fingers will thank you. As for the tail, start by taking a small amount of purple wool and shaping it into a flat, heart-like shape. Neck of a whale's tail is wide and slightly curved. Felt this piece separately until it's firm. Once you're happy with the shape, we'll attach it to the body. Now, to attach the tail, position it at the end of the whale's body and poke around the edges to secure it. Blend the fibers where the tail meets the body to ensure a smooth transition. This will give our whale that iconic and graceful look. Now for the fun part, adding gray stripes on the belly. Gently poke it into place, blending the edges for a natural transition. Take 5 strips of gray wool and place it in line on the bottom of your whale. And this is where our whale gets its signature look, making it instantly recognizable. Now let's give our whale some personality. For the eyes, we will be using small rolls of white and black wools. Position them on the head of your whale, just above the belly, and gently felt them into place. And these eyes will bring your whale to life and give it that adorable charm. It's amazing how we transformed wool into this charming sea creature. And needle felting is not just a craft, it's an art form that lets you create adorable, soft sculptures from scratch. And there you have it, a delightful needle felted whale. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please dive into my other videos where we create all sorts of cute animals and characters. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep poking away and have fun with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more needle felting adventures. Until next time, happy felting everyone.